Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Genshin Impact account. So if you had earlier signed up to or created your Genshin Impact account by using a certain password, but now don't seem to remember that password for a certain reason, but you still want to retrieve your account and recover your account, this is the video where I'm going to guide you how to do it. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser. And as you land on your web browser, make sure that you've already gone to genshin.mihoyo.com, which will lead you towards an interface that looks like this. Here on the top right corner, you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. And there you can see an option that says login. Click on login, and then you will be directed towards the login section. Now, since you've already forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password, which will then direct you towards a page that will ask you for your username. So you can either type in your username, or you can type in your email. Here I'm just going to type in my username real quick and then tap on next. After you tap on next, the verification process will begin, and now what you can do is you can select 2 types of verification, either email verification or your mobile number verification as per what you have particularly linked your accounts with. So I'm just gonna tap on verified linked mobile number because that's way easier for me than to have to open the Gmail again and again. So now tap on send code. After you tap on send code and the verification succeeds, you will now have to wait for the verification code to arrive on your phone. So here I'm just going to wait, and here, as you can see, I've already received it. So tap on next after you receive your verification code. And now what you can do is you can set up a new password in order to recover your account. So here I'm just going to set up a new password and then confirm the password by retyping it. So here I'm just gonna confirm the password by retyping it and then tap on confirm. After you tap on confirmed, it says that your password has now been changed. So you can simply type in your username and then type in the new password that you just set for your account. This will help you a lot in recovering your account. So when you tap on login now, you will be able to see that within a few seconds time after your verification process completes, by completing this very small puzzle, you will be able to see that you will get logged into your account, which means that your password has been changed and you have successfully been able to recover your account even though you had forgotten your password earlier. So this is how the recovery of Genshin Impact account takes place. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you were successful in recovering your own account by seeing this video, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.